some books I bought, vintage Locksmith books I bought off eBay. Okay, let's put the camera this way. Okay, let's see what I ordered. Here's an old Locksmith ledger, code update 1991. I don't think I ordered that one, maybe she threw it in. How to repair hydraulic door closers by W.M. Tucker. Another door closer repair manual published by Locksmith Ledger. Another Locksmith Ledger book, Techniques of Locksmithing. Okay. Another one called Professional Procedures for Locksmith by Locksmith Ledger. This is a spacing and depths Locksmith Ledger. I don't know if they threw some extra ones in there. It's mini master key systems. Another master key, the brush method, pinpoints by the Locksmith Ledger. Gimmicks and moneymakers for locksmiths. Helpful methods for modern locksmith. Another code update. I didn't order the code updates. Maybe she or he just threw it in there to get rid of it. Electromechanical locks. Lock picks and clicks. This one I don't think I ordered, but maybe they just threw it in there. Know-how for locksmiths by Locksmith Ledger. Picks, tips, and tricks by Locksmith Ledger again. Another one. Self-study builder's hardware course for locksmiths. Selective suggestions for professional locksmiths. Locksmith notebook. Locksmith Ledger. Technical tips for locksmiths. Master key systems. The basic principles behind all master key systems. And of course, I ordered this separate. I mean, I asked them to bundle all the Locksmith books together, and I wanted this one because I took Tae Kwon Do up before. So yeah, that's all I got. I bought all that off of eBay for someone in Australia. So I'll say thank you for the fast shipping. And I'm gonna email them right now and let them know I received their packages. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.